Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time stopping by to my channel. My name is Atinike. So this is a different tutorial. I want you guys to see my face, as in the tutorial should be on, you understand, face to face. So I'm going to show you guys the things we are going to be needing. You're going to be needing a pin, this type of pin. I prefer this type of pin than tip-pin. I don't think I have tip-pin. Let me show you guys tip-pin, what tip-pin looks like. This is what sorry this is what tip-pin looks like. Can you see? But I prefer this pin than tip-pin. Anytime I use tip-pin, it's always stuck on my lace neck. All what I use, I'll try my best by linking them in the description box below. So we are going to be needing a lace net, then cap, wig cap, any wig cap of your choice. We are going to be needing needle and thread. Where's my needle? This long, I love using this long needle than the cuff one. It's very easier for me to work with this one than the cuff one. You can use any one you like. I think you can purchase this kind of frontal. If you want me to make a video on how you can DIY your own frontal with this kind of big nets, how you can achieve this out, kindly please comment down below. I'll be glad to do that for you guys. You are going to put on, you have to look for the right side. This cap can be kind of confusing, so anywhere you see your band inside, that is where the inside is. So just put it on your cap. And again, the size of the top head I'm using is size 22. Can you see? 22. So now guys, this is your frontal. Can you see? You have to fold it into two. Me also, I do struggle in sewing down my frontal before, but this method very easy to achieve. Very easy. So you have to fold it into two. You understand? Then we'll take our scissors to cut out the middle, just a little, so that we won't struggle where the middle part is. Then we are going to take our pin it down the middle. So in case, even though your pin come off or you are still going to know where the middle part is. You understand? Where you already use your scissors to chop off. Then on your mannequin head, this line at the middle here is the middle part. This is where you know your middle part is. So let me shift it front very well for you to see. My ring lights. It has to stop here. You understand? It has to stop here. We are not done yet. We are working it out. Then the second part, drag it. It has to stop here also. Can you see? So you have to come back to the one you drag to adjust it so that it will be very flat. Then you come to the back here, adjust it very well. Then you start pinning it down. This can be so difficult if you don't get how to do this. It can be difficult. Before, it was more than difficult for me. I struggle a lot. I use hours, but ever since I got this, it has been so easy for me, because the struggle will be more than the frontal when there is hair. Then you come back here to hold the pin down very well. The only way you know you are right is when this form M shape. M, can you see? M shape. So don't worry about this. When we sew it down, you see how this come out. When your front form M shape, that is only when you know you are right. So let's start sewing this down. When you've already applied your thread inside your needle, you have to tie a knot like this. So after we are done, we are going to cut the excess off. You have to be careful when cutting the excess off so that you won't cut off the lace net you already work so hard to sew down. Guys, I almost forgot to mention this. You see this middle? That is where your middle part is. You understand? This middle here, that is where your middle part is. Sometimes I just put on my wig cap anyhow as far as I know what I'm working with. You understand? But if a beginner, this is where your middle part is. Let's apply this on the cap and let's see how it looks like. You can see this is what I'm talking about, where I chopped off from the beginning of the tutorial. So you can see this is your middle part. Can you see this form M shape? Can you see? That is when you know you got it right. So this is so I'm going to put it on for you guys to see now. Can you see what the lace net looks like? Can you see this place? We're going to use our pen liner to mark our ears out. Can you see? A little to mark it out. Then use your pen liner to shape the front out. Then you cut the excess, the one you need. Can you see what it looks like? This is the back. Then you take your, can you see? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned one or two from this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Mwah.